What's up guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making easy no-bake cheesecake. Before we begin, make sure you do a little happy dance. Using a food processor, add 12 graham crackers, or if you want a thicker crust, do 14 crackers. Pulse the graham crackers into fine crumbs. Please don't mind the ugly background behind me as Kelvin's Kitchen is under a makeover, I guess. To the crumbs, add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Go ahead and pulse to incorporate the sugar in. Then add 8 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Go ahead and pulse to incorporate the melted butter in. Continue pulsing as you pour the butter in. Pulse, pulse, pulse. And by the time you are done pulsing, the crumbs should resemble wet sand. Now we need a 9-inch spring-form pan. Add the crumbs to the pan. Press the crumbs to the bottom of the pan and spread out evenly. Then transfer the pan to the freezer for at least 20 minutes. Now in a mixing bowl, add in 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, followed by 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. Beat on medium to medium-high speed for 3 minutes, or until fluffy and smooth. And after about 3 minutes, once it's fluffy and smooth, set it aside. Then in another large mixing bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream. Let me clean this hand mixer real quick. Be right back. Using a clean hand mixer, beat the heavy whipping cream for about 3 to 5 minutes or until stiff peaks have formed. Beat the heavy cream on high speed. Then add 12 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Then beat on medium speed until well combined and smooth. Now add the cream cheese mixture to the mascarpone and heavy cream mixture. Use a spatula to fold cream cheese into whipped mascarpone mixture until well blended. Then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the mixture, 1 tablespoon at a time, and fold. 1 tablespoon went into the mixture, go ahead and fold it, and for the best result, use freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add the 2nd tablespoon of lemon juice into the mixture and fold it as well. Make sure you fold it until well incorporated. Do not skip the lemon juice, you will be so surprised at how good this is with the lemon juice. You may go ahead and taste it as it is safe to eat. Get your spring form out the freezer and transfer the mixture into the pan. Transfer the cheesecake filling over the chilled crust. Using a spatula, spread it out as even as you can. Now cover and transfer to the fridge for at least 4 hours or for best results overnight. And the next day, slice some strawberries to decorate. Place a cheesecake on a platter or a cake stand. Open up the pan and release the cheesecake. Moment of truth. Decorate the top of the cheesecake just like so. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, easy no-bake cheesecake. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.